Hi everyone. Today, let's talk about the science of sound. Let's mainly focus on vocabulary for this one. Yep, I knew you'd like that. First, let's start with what sound is. Sound is a type of energy. It's made up of vibrations. Sound travels in waves and can be heard when it reaches a person's ears. Well, I guess not everybody's a good listener, but for most of us, sound can be heard when it reaches a person's ears. You already know that sound can travel through gas because it's traveling through air right now. That's how you hear my voice. And air is made up of gases. But it can also travel through solids, like when it travels through your corded headphones that are plugged into your phone or computer. It even travels through solids the fastest. And it can travel through liquids too. You can still hear things, even when your ears are underwater. And the material that sound is traveling through, that's called a medium. When sound reaches another material, or shall we say medium, it can be totally transmitted through, or it can be absorbed, where part of it makes it through, but not all of it. That's how you can still hear things that are going on in the room beside you, even though there's a wall between you. Some of the noise makes it through, but all of the sound doesn't make it through. Or it can be reflected or bounce around. That's what happens when there's an echo. 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 Did I do it? Did it sound like a real echo? Yay! Wait. You did say yes, right? I'm just going to pretend like you said yes. And our last term of the day is wavelength. Wavelength is literally the length of a wave. It's a measure of a sound wave. You can measure it from crest to crest, which is high point to high point, or trough to trough, which is the low point to the low point. If this is our sound wave, then here would be the crest, or one of the high spots, and we'd measure to the next crest, which would be right here. The distance between the two is a wavelength. Or you could measure from the low point or the trough to the next trough. That also would be a wavelength, or the length of a wave. If you want to learn more about the science of sound, don't forget to catch Amplitude and Frequency coming soon. Sounds good. See you soon.